Welcome to Nari Seki, and today let's make banana flour sabji, very healthy, especially for women. And here I have 2 tablespoons split chickpeas soaked in water for about 1 hour, 1 medium sized banana flour chopped and soaked in water for about 5 to 6 hours. I'm going to share the video description in the description how to chop banana flour. So squeeze out all the water and we are going to do the seasoning. Take oil. Coconut oil tastes good in this. Mustard seeds. 1 mustard seed starts spluttering. We are going to add rest of the ingredients. You can add any oil, but coconut oil goes well. Peanuts, and peanuts are optional. I'm trying to add proteins to this vegetable, so peanuts and chickpea chana dal. But if you don't like peanuts, you can just don't add. So saute for about 2 minutes. And now add chana dal after taking out all the water, and we're going to add chopped banana flour, and I'm going to put the link in the description because cleaning the banana flour is very difficult. So saute for 2 minutes. Add cumin powder, red chili powder, and garam masala as per your taste, how spicy you want. Some salt. Add little bit of jaggery, tamarind. This will give nice tangy taste. Mix well, and we are going to mix for that all the spices get mixed with the vegetables. And you can also pressure cook it or cook it in a pan. I forgot coriander powder, so now I'm adding coriander powder. Add water and cook it on a medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes, or you can pressure cook it. When chana dal is done, that means it's cooked, check for water in between. So I've added water just little bit above the vegetable, very little. So now there is still water, we don't have to add. So now at this point, when vegetable is almost done, I'm going to add coconut milk and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now this vegetable can be made like a gravy depending on how you want to serve it. I'm going to show you both the version. So this is a perfect gravy version if you want to serve with roti, bread or rice. But if you want to serve it with chapati, something dry, then put it on the flame for some time until all the water gets dried up, and this will get cooked in the coconut milk and the flavor will be different. So it depends on how you want to do it. So do try this and you can serve this. It's a very healthy vegetable. It's good for lactating women, good for postmenopausal women. It's good for women basically because it is all the nutrients. So please subscribe Nari Seki for more videos.